Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. It's got 2 closets on the entrance, one here, another one right there. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. There's another closet here. This is the dining area for the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. Comes with a dishwasher, a microwave, windows in the kitchen, beautiful floors. One of the bedrooms here. It's a good sized bedroom. You can fit a twin size or queen size with a dresser. It's got 2 windows. Comes with a closet. The second bedroom, a larger bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size with a dresser. It's got 2 windows and 2 closets. There's one here, another one here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles, very clean. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. Near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the express train, the E train and F train. On Main Street in Queens Boulevard, at Van Wyck train station. An apartment is a very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. And please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.